Good morning, friends. Today we have discussed geothermal energy. Geothermal energy. In previous lecture, we have discussed geothermal energy plant. What is geothermal energy? Component of geothermal energy. Earth layers of geothermal energy. How do we use geothermal energy? How do we use geothermal energy? Where can we find geothermal energy? After that, we have discussed here where can we find geothermal energy? Oh, volcano means hot magma is near the surface. Where can we find geothermal energy? The most active geothermal resources are usually found where earthquakes and volcanoes are concentrated. Geothermal energy is a clean, no fuel is burned, so there is no air pollution. The steam is turned into water and put back into the earth. Geothermal energy is cheap. Geothermal energy power plant can make electricity for about the same as coal power plant. Geothermal energy power plant derives energy from the heat of the earth interior. The average increase in temperature with depth of earth is 10 degrees Celsius. For every 30 to 40 minutes at a depth of 10 to 15 kilowatt, the earth interior is as hot as 1000 to 1200 degrees Celsius. In a certain areas of outer planet, the underground heat has rise the temperature of water to over 200 degrees Celsius, which burst out as hot steam through the crack in the earth crust. The steam can be utilized for power production. Geothermal power plant. Here, geothermal wells are drilled at suitable location. Water vaporizes into steam come out of the earth's surface in a dry condition at around 200 degrees Celsius and 8 bar. This steam will run the turbine coupled with generator. Steam is condensed in a condenser and re-injected back into the ground by the rejection well. Component of geothermal power plant. Dry steam power plant. Here turbine, generator and load. Production well, injection well and rock layers. Here heat energy coming from the earth through production well and after using or work done by turbine goes to the injection well. Turbine shaft here connected to generator and work is done in the form of rotary motion by turbine and generator give the output in the form of electricity. Advantage of geothermal power plant. Geothermal energy is cheaper, used as space heating for building, used as an industrial process heat. Geothermal energy is inexhaustible. Disadvantage: low over power production efficiency, about 15%. During operation is noisy. Large areas are needed for FOE explosion of geothermal energy. Geothermal. Natural steam from the production well power the turbine generator. The steam is condensed by evaporation in the cooling tower and pumped down an injection well to sustain production. Geothermal power plants have no smoky emission, they emit water vapor. Power plant, dry steam, fresh steam, binary cycle. Dry steam power plant. In a dry steam power plant, the steam and no water shoot up the well and is passed through a rock catcher and then directly into the turbine. Dry steam fields are rare. Here, picture shows dry steam power plant. Steam directly coming from the earth, impact on the turbine. Turbine rotate, directly connected to generator. Generator gives the electricity. And condensed steam goes to the earth. Benefit of geothermal power plant: provide clean and safe energy using return RAN is renewable and sustainable. Generate continuous and reliable base load power. Conserve fossil fuel and contribute to diversity in energy source. Avoid importing and benefit local economic. Offer modular and incremental development and village power to remote site. Dry steam geothermal power. Figure shows dry steam power plant. Geothermal zone component of dry steam geothermal power. Production well, geothermal zone, turbine, steam coming to the condensate, generator, condenser, cooling water tower, air, hot well, air and water vapor, single press geothermal power. Figure shows single press geothermal power. Geothermal zone, brine, steam brine, waste brine, steam, turbine, generator, condenser, air and water vapor, cooling tower, hot well, direct heat uses, injection well. This is component of single press geothermal power. Now figure shows binary cycle geothermal power. In this binary cycle geothermal power, production well, geothermal zone, heat exchanger, isobutane vapor coming on turbine, condenser, generator, air and water vapor, cooling tower, air water. In right hand side, picture of binary cycle geothermal power, addition of heat exchanger, double press geothermal power. Figure shows double press geothermal power. First test turbine, second test turbine, generator, condenser, air and water vapor, cooling tower, air, direct heat use, condenser, hot well, geothermal zone, steam brine, separators and steam to the condenser. This is double press power plant. Here we have completed unit number 5, non-conventional energy sources. In this unit, total non-conventional energy sources we have discussed, like that solar power plant, geothermal power plant, tidal power plant. In next lecture, we will discuss the 6th unit,